kababa watu thomera Rugano nigukuonera hau hage tugwika uka thomera Rugano itukui. Thank you. Nigetha na rema tamenyete makimenya Rugano rwega rwa Muhiko.
Thank you Karango. Asanteni sana wageni wetu ambao wamekuja baadaye, Mheshimiwa Jakoya, Mheshimiwa Marwa, Chairman na Maina Jenga, karibuni sana tuweze kumshirikisha rafiki yetu Muhiko wa Wanjiru. Kwa majina naitwa Muigai wa Njoroge, alikuwa rafiki yangu wa karibu sana, ndio maana niko hapa. Yeye mwenyewe ndiye alinishika mkono katika ulimwengu wa muziki. Niguthoma rugano rwa Mutigaire Nebster Muhiko ndaiga gatana ndaika. Tutasoma kwa lugha ya Kikuyu sababu Wakikuyu ndio wengi hapa. Mheshimiwa Jakoya na Marwa itabidi msoe ama Maina wasaidie hapo kidogo, sijui itakuwaje, lakini mnaelewana. Uciarwo Mutigaire muini Nebster Muhiko ndaiga gatana aciarirwo mwaka-inĩ wa March 18, 1969 kana mwaka wa 1969 Nyeri County, Recorded Location Makango Village. Aciarirwo arĩ mwana wa gatano nĩ aciari yake Mutigaire Anthony Ndaiga Muhiko na Lydia Wanjiru Ndaiga. Aciarirwo na Mutigaire Banis Wageci, Esther Wangui, Mary Wangui, David Muhiko, Francis Wajoi, Kabwa Ndaiga, Justice Wokafi na Asha Ndegwa na Eutychus Dogo. Arĩ mama wa ciana ta Edwin Mwaura, Anton Ndaiga, David Muhiko, Gerard Mwanek, Dennis Githinji na angĩ aingĩ. Arĩ guka wa ciana nyingĩ. Gĩthomo Mutigaire gatana Ndaiga ambĩrĩirie gĩthomo cukuru wa Kaharo Primary mwaka wa 1977. Nĩ athomire kinya kĩrathi kĩa mũgwanja mwaka-inĩ wa 1983. Nĩ athire cukuru wa Chinga Boys High School na akĩrĩkia kĩrathi gĩa kana. Nĩ athire form 5 and form 6 cukuru-inĩ oro ũcio. Kũhikania Mutigaire nĩ merenia na mwenda wake Mutigaire Jesu Muthoni Gĩcanga na makĩhikania kĩũgĩkũyũ na makĩrathimwo na ciana na nĩcio Francis Mwangi, Cynthia Wanjiru, Blessing Nyambura na Banis Wageci. Nĩ ici ciarawe wa Emily Nyambura Kimani, arĩ guka wa Mayos Muhiko, Maxine Muthoni na angĩ aingĩ. Wĩra kũrĩ mwaka wa 1990 nĩ athire Machakos Teachers Training College na agĩtuĩka mwarimũ o kũu Machakos County, o agĩthomithia na wainaga wĩini wake. Mwaka-inĩ wa 1994 nĩ atigire wĩra wa warimũ na agĩtua wĩini nĩguo wĩra wake wa full time. Nĩ ainĩte nyĩmbo nyingĩ ta Mĩrĩ nĩ Mahũa, Ndũhe Maĩ, Mwarĩ wa Millionaire, Chuku Chuku, Madam Stone, Muhiko for President, na ingĩ nyingĩ. Nĩ mainĩte korabo na Muigai wa Njoroge nyĩmbo ta Hebia, Nĩ Mũtu, Keki nĩ Cokio Metha-inĩ na ingĩ nyingĩ. Makaina na Spring rwĩmbo rwa Honeymoon. Nĩ mainĩte na Sami Rogo, Kaburi Joseph, Nason Maina, Jerry Jesh na Jerio Oguo na JJ Bishop JJ Gitahi. Nĩ manyitanĩire na Jamila na Simon Njoro na magĩthondeka gĩkundi gĩetagwo Gospel Nation. Arĩ baba wa wĩini wa andũ aingĩ. Kanitha Mutigaire nĩ abatithĩtio kanitha-inĩ wa Catholic arĩ mũnini. Nĩ acokire agĩthamĩra kanitha-inĩ wa IPCA. Thutha ũcio nĩ atonyire kanitha-inĩ wa Priesthood kwa Bishop JJ Gitahi Harvest, kũrĩa arĩ mũrũmĩrĩri nginya kũhurũka gwake. Ndwari Mutigaire nĩ akoretwo agĩthĩnio nĩ pressure na diabetes kuma mwaka wa 2015 kuria akorwo akĩrigitwo thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Kenyatta. Thutha ũcio nĩ aiguire wega na agĩthiĩ na mbere na mawĩra make. No kũrĩ mũthenya wa Wednesday thaa 10 cia rũcinĩ pressure nĩ yamũhinyĩrĩirie na agĩteng'erio thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Gatũndũ kũrĩa onekire arĩ na mild stroke na akĩhurũkio nĩ Mwathani thaa 12 cia rũcinĩ thinacara ya rũcinĩ. Arahurũkire na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 54 na nĩ atiga ciana 4 na tũguka 2. Nĩ Ngai waheanire Muhiko na agacoka kũmũgĩra. Rĩĩtwa rĩa Ngai witũ rĩrogocwo. Thank you.
Amen. Tumuhorera rwĩro wega Muigai wa Njoroge nĩ tũthomera wega. Tuna tribute. Arena tribute na ihenya. Haya tribute. Tuharakishe kidogo. Tribute. Ndio tarehe imwe. Tutie na nyingi no ino. Thank you.
Mwagi.
Haya Mwagi gĩũke basi. Ũkũrũgama haha athomere ho. Thank you. Arathoma tribute harĩ-inĩ ha Mwagi. Nĩ sani ya Muhiko. Na ũcio ũkũrũ mwega.
Imoni gosho. Praise God. Ndĩtagwo Ngure na ndĩ mũrata wa Mwagi na ndĩ mũrata wa family ya Muhiko. Nĩ ngũthoma tribute ya Mwagi na ngũthoma na Gĩthũngũ o gĩtukanagia na Gĩkũyũ. So this is Mwangi's tribute to his father. Death is a part of life, and once it strikes someone you so dearly love, your existence will never be the same. Dad has rested, and I know the pain of losing my dad will perhaps never leave me, and especially losing him in my arms. I imagine it will ease with time as I process and get through it, but I don't think I will get over it. How can you get over a person who has been there since you even knew yourself, since you were even aware of yourself? His death is painful, especially since it has closely followed Mom's. Dad was so many things to me and to us as the family. Number one, he was a loving father. He would go to any length to ensure we were taken care of, even when situations were hard, because they have been. His love for me and my family was unmatched. He had a special bond with my son, Miles. Miles was the only one who had the rights to stand on his glass table. He taught him to ride the bike, and Dad also visited us when my daughter was born with a gift that I will forever cherish. Dad was also our discipline master. Ile vita niliona mazee, as the only son and being the firstborn, I always took the fall even when I was innocent. He would later tell me he was doing this to instill responsibility and a discipline in me and to ensure I would take care of my sisters and my family. I did not know it would be too soon. Dad was also the no-nonsense person. He loved facts, was very strict. Actually, 3 months ago, I had a small misunderstanding with my sister who I thought was inciting Dad against me. Dad called me and told me, son, when there is an issue to solve, don't beat around the bush, just come to me straight. We were able to resolve the misunderstanding amicably, and he would never take sides. Isipokuwa tu hapo kwa kuonwa viboko. He treated us, all of us, equally. Dad was an artist and comedian. He was multi-talented. He would have easily become an actor as well as a musician. And if you have watched his music videos, you would be forgiven to imagine him as a comedian. Someone may even think he would bring his acts home. Aukaka hikora kigethia kauga Mwagi nidakinya hikora wako hikora hitoke na murango. In his acting voice. He was also very kind. He welcomed all my friends and made them feel part of the family. Our home was open to my workmates, church colleagues, psych family, everyone was welcome, his celebrity status notwithstanding. He has attended my friends' events courtesy of my invite and for free. And as Ngure, I am one of the beneficiaries. He was also very supportive. He always had my back. I could talk to him about anything and he would always listen and offer solutions. He never shut his door on me, not even once. I will truly miss his reassuring support. His life, his influence, his energy is linked to mine, and now take comfort in knowing that my dad will never be in pain. Thus, that this one suffering is no longer something he has to endure. My dad, Muhiko, will forever be in my heart until the day it stops beating. And I am grateful that I am becoming a more fully realized human being, a more caring, compassionate, and empathetic person because of my dad. Still, I would forfeit any wisdom for the sake of having him back. Now, I can only promise you one thing, Dad, that the dreams you had of us as a family, a successful and life for me and my sisters will happen. I will push through the wire to ensure your vision is a reality. It is sad that our time together in this earth has been so short, and I have to let you rest in peace. Say hello to Mommy in heaven when you meet her. I know she has been waiting for you. Till we meet again, Dad, bye-bye. I will forever love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tuna tribute yaka yetu Muhiko kana habari yetu.
Praise God. Blessings Nyambura, and I will talk on behalf of my sisters. So, okay, I didn't write a tribute down, but I will just tell you what my dad was to me and to my sisters. So, Muhiko was a great man, as you all know. He loved everybody and he loved us very much. And to the people who have followed me on my TikTok know we are very close, very, very close. And I can say a lot of men do like marry afterwards, after their wives die and their kids are left in the mercy of the stepmoms and all. But my dad wasn't like that. He stayed with us, he comforted us, he was there for us, and he gave us everything we needed. So today I can just say he was the best man I can describe, and we love him so much. Yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ndakaito hore ciana icio rohero wega kujeni tu hapa kuja Mwangi. Icio ciana cia Muhiko.